Hey, Spike here. Quick introduction to the Tubby concentrator. This one's set up right now to recirculate. You're going to put your dirt in here. Everything's going to work through. You got nugget traps and all here. Got a drop here. That's where your gold stuff, small stuff drops down that way. All your rocks just work their way off here. So we set this top box 14 to 18 degrees. We set this bottom box at about 8 degrees here on this angle. Let it circulate back. And that's the way we do a recirculate. Okay, Spike back with the Tubby concentrator set up in Creekbank mode. Okay, you ready? You see this? Instead of using these brackets, we spun this thing around and we mounted it this way. You got that? So we still put our dirt in here. It goes through. The rocks fall off back into the creek, right? Water goes off and the water goes back in the creek. The tub, you fill it full of water and use that for a stand. Makes it all stable. It'll never go anywhere. But look at this. I mean, it's on there solid, guys. So that's the new way to set it up as a creek bank. A lot of y'all got one of these, and I just came up with this today. Look at this. Mount your flat bracket that you would normally put to make it overflow. Just mount it on the side. And then let it tub over right here on this side. See? And then it can just run right there at an angle, and it'll just zoom right in and run it right back in the creek. So you can put your water on here, dump it into the creek, pull water out of the creek, run it through, dump it back in the creek. This water here, that's just a stand to keep her steady. Man, I'm so happy with this. This comes. Y'all be good. I'm going to get out of here, and I got to get this thing in a box.